Hey guys, how's it going? How to transfer Amazon gift card to your bank account. So first of all, what you need to do, let me go to this website, select gift card from the options on the menu. On your gift card option, just select redeem gift card and then apply to your balance, and the balance will be added to your Amazon Pay. So let's do half of that. Go ahead and click the your name at the top, right? And then scroll a little bit down to your account right here, click see all, right? Then scroll a little bit down to the gift card and click right here manage gift card balance, and then just go ahead and click redeem gift card to add card to your balance. And after you added the card to your balance, what you're gonna do, click apply to balance, right? To apply to your balance, and then go back, right? And then scroll a little bit down to your payment, okay, which is the Amazon Pay. Go ahead and click on it, and you're gonna see the Amazon balance, right? So let's go back to the website again, right? And go back to your previous menu and then select your payments, and then click on send money and choose the bank account bank option into your bank account details, and then tap pay now. Unfortunately, I don't have a balance on my Amazon balance, but if you do, click on send money to, and then send money to your bank account, and as it said before, right? And in the bank option, and then click send money and choose the bank option, then enter your bank account details and then tap pay now, and then basically you're gonna be able to transfer the Amazon gift card to your bank account if it allows in your country or region. So it varies from country to a country, from region to region. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.